What's good, everybody? Welcome to the channel, JREKML. That's your boy Dre, JRE, however you want to pronounce it. We got BabyMonster, We Go Up, exclusive performance video. This looks crazy. It looks like they have like a whole dance crew. Damn. Okay, production. Okay, YG, we got the production. Yeah, I've been seeing some comments for me to check this out, so I'm more than willing to check out anything y'all recommend. So, without further ado, let's check out BabyMonster. Be sure to check out the Patreon. I've been checking out Baymon House.
Nice.
Nice.
되지 않았을까?
The legs look good though, I'm not gonna lie. Ooh, Asa.
그냥 계란인데 약간의 비싸해 보여.
비싸.
It's been fun. I need to check out the other episodes, but it's on my Patreon. Be sure to check it out. Link in the description down below. Let's just get this started, shall we? In 3, 2, 1, bow. Okay, we clapping off the bat. Damn. Okay. Ooh, the hair. You don't play. Ooh, I love the outfits. What? Show it. Boom, boom. Hey. Woo. Okay, hair. Yeah. Oh, the dancers are killing too. That outfit, the jewelry. Nothing. I'm not gonna do anything. Ooh. Yeah, Hyun. Ooh, they are. Hey. Oh, hell no. They got a whole ass production. What is a performance video? Bruh, one thing you gotta know is that YG always gonna put up a good production. But their concert, I went to the concert. Shout out to Andy and Jazz, bro. I was sitting next to them and we had a time of our lives, bruh. But big shout out to them. But the production was always on top. So listen, this don't surprise me. I mean, listen, we've been following YG for a minute, since before Big Bang days. The upgrade's crazy. Ooh, the little devil horns too. Let's go, Miss Ma'am. Talk it. Ah! Woo! Hey. Yeah. Yeah! Just sit here and stare. I'm just gonna enjoy the music. Yes, ma'am. She be slaying all the time, for real though. Ooh, I like the white to black outfit changes. Why is that? Girl, I thought that was a UFO up top. Are people flying in the background? I am so sorry. I am distracted. A performance video? Yo, performance videos be... Ooh, the little... Performance videos been like being upgraded each time, I feel. Oh. Burn it up! Cock it! Ooh. Slaying as always. Keep it going. Woo. Okay, vocals. Fire. Damn. Okay, vocal. Okay, falsetto. Yo, God damn. We go up. Performance, bro. That means when they go on tour again. Are they on tour? I don't know if they are. Actually, let me know. We're gonna be hearing this. Hold on. I'm gonna turn the lights down low this time. Let's turn the lights off. I have these lights that go with the music video, and I want to see it. I love her hair here. All the hair is dope though. Damn. Is that a real helicopter? Yeah. Yeah. Woo. Let me see. When it turns red. Let me see. Whoa, that's crazy. Down below what you guys think of BabyMonster We Go Up in their performance video. Have you seen, like, give me your thoughts. Let me know your opinions. Put it in the comments down below. Be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre. Again, on Patreon, we're checking out BabyMon House. Is there anything else you want me to check out on Patreon? You know, more long form, you know what I'm saying? Let me know in Patreon. Be sure to follow. It is free. You can support your boy for $1 and subscribe as well. And yeah, shout out to BabyMonster. They be killing it. All right, y'all. Till next time, everybody. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-Pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-Pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.